Unveiling the Spotlight. Understanding Screening Premiere. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines the glamour of movies with the excitement of first-time viewings. We're talking about screening premiere. Whether you're a movie enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. So, let's unravel the magic behind these words and why they're so significant in the film industry. The term screening premiere is made up of two parts: screening and premiere. A screening refers to the act of showing a movie or a film in a cinema or theater. It's when a movie is projected onto a big screen for an audience. On the other hand, a premiere is the very first showing of a movie, play, or any form of entertainment to the public. It's a special event, often marked by the presence of the cast, the director, and invited guests. When combined, screening premiere signifies the first public presentation of a movie in a cinema or at a film festival. It's a momentous occasion, celebrating the culmination of the creative efforts behind the movie. Screening premieres are not just about showing a new movie, they are a pivotal moment for everyone involved in the movie's creation. These events are often laden with anticipation, excitement, and the hope that the film will be well received by critics and the audience alike. For the filmmakers and actors, it's the first time seeing their work come to life in front of an audience. For the audience, it's an opportunity to be among the first to experience a film's storytelling, visuals, and performances. Screening premieres can also significantly impact a movie's success, generating buzz and media coverage that can drive ticket sales and awards season momentum. Attending a screening premiere is a unique experience. These events are often glamorous, featuring red carpets, interviews, and after-parties. But beyond the glitz, screening premieres serve a crucial function in the film industry. They are a test of the movie's appeal, offering immediate feedback from viewers and critics. Furthermore, premieres are essential for promotional purposes, creating a wave of publicity that can be critical for the movie's commercial success. For independent films, a successful premiere at a major film festival can lead to distribution deals, bringing the movie to a wider audience. We hope this video has illuminated the exciting world of screening premieres for you. These events are more than just the first showing of a film, they're a celebration of artistic achievement and a vital part of the movie-making process. Whether you're watching a premiere from the audience or following along from home, remember that you're witnessing the culmination of countless hours of creative effort. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language and its usage in everyday life. See you in the next video.